Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be comparing the Oukitel WP35 5G with the Oukitel WP33 Pro 5G, just to point out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged phones. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. Perfect. So there we go guys, the WP35 versus the WP33 Pro. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.